Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the comp. Make sure resolution and frame rate match your deliverable, then import and place footage. Once done, enable the 3D switch on each layer and set anchor points so pivots behave predictably. You should convert important layers to 3D cameras reference by positioning them in Z. Now add a camera layer, New Camera, and choose a preset. This is your first working camera, so test basic dolly and tilt controls to confirm motion responds as expected. You continue by adding more cameras. Duplicate an existing camera or create new ones with different focal lengths to change perspective. Then animate camera transform properties or use the camera tools. Press C to toggle tools for orbit, track, and dolly, so you can keyframe natural motion. Once you need constrained or multi-axis moves, parent cameras to null objects and animate the null instead. This gives you easier, layered control. Make sure motion paths are smooth by easing keyframes and previewing in real time. You finish by previewing and switching. Use multiple view layouts to compare camera angles side by side and save helpful custom views. To render specific angles, add a camera switcher layer or keyframe the active camera via the timeline to toggle between cameras. Expressions can automate this. Then pre-render short test segments to check depth of field, clipping, and motion blur. If things go wrong, check layer 3D order and camera focal lengths first. Most issues come from misplaced Z positions or incorrect field of.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.